Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to make some feta cheese rolls. Before I proceed on, I would like everyone to subscribe and like this video so that I get enough support from you guys for me to make more videos in the future. So basically feta cheese rolls are Turkish inspired. You can find them in most restaurants, and especially here in Singapore you find them in every restaurant. They're quite simple to make and the ingredients are very simple for this, and also it's vegetarian friendly, so do stay tuned for the whole recipe. So for this recipe you need some feta cheese. There isn't an alternative for this because it is a feta cheese roll, so do try finding this. So I'm using one whole block of feta cheese for this. Feta cheese are slightly saltier, so you don't have to add any salt for this recipe. You need to dice them into smaller cubes so that they are easier to mash, because you have to mash all the ingredients to get a very smooth consistency so that you can put it inside the roll. So I'm just going to cut it into small cubes. Okay, so I'm going to show you one of the brands of feta cheese you might find. So if you have this, is great. So I'm going to use some mozzarella. This is preferred. If you want mozzarella you can add it, but if not you don't have to. And I'm going to add 1 egg so that it combines all the ingredients together. And I'm going to add a bit of spinach. If you want less spinach you can add it. If you don't want any spinach, it's based on you. But I like spinach, so I'm going to add some of it, and I'm going to give all of the ingredients a good mash. It's important that you mash every ingredients together, and especially the feta cheese, because it might be a bit hard, but you have to mash everything. So it's better if you use a hand instead of any spoon or spatulas for this. So I'm going to use a spring roll paper to put my feta cheese and spinach in. So I'm going to put it in one straight line in the middle of the paper, and then I'm going to use the egg wash to seal it all up. It's important that you seal it so that the cheese doesn't leak out, and feta cheese get burned very easily, so you have to be careful. So just fold it over and roll it up and make sure it's sealed from all sides. Put your flame to medium high and then drop all the rolls about 4 to 5 at a time so that it doesn't overcrowd and all of them fry perfectly. You have to fry it till it's golden brown. You don't have to fry it too much, so just a golden brown would be fine, just so that you can get a very nice crust on it. So just flip it over when you see that golden crust, and then you can remove it after both sides are perfectly golden. Simple recipe, and there's not much ingredients needed. You can do it anytime whenever you feel like eating a snack. All you need is some feta cheese blocks, spring roll paper and spinach at home, so you can just fry it over. And if you want to use air fryer, go ahead, and if you want to use oil to fry, that's your choice as well. So do try this at home, and do let me know in the comments what do you think about this recipe. And if you want any similar recipes or any recipes you want in person, do let me know in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.